Hope you all are doing great. This is Lakshmi. I am here to introduce a new topic which is very interesting and easy topic for you all. The topic name is trigonometry. By hearing this name of the topic itself, most of the students will get panic. That everyone think that it is a tricky subject and feel difficult in solving the problems. But I say if you learn the concept in a well manner, then it will be one of your favorite and lovable topic for you all. Okay, before getting into our main topic, let us have a quick recap of your favorite Pythagorean theorem. Okay, Pythagorean theorem. Because this Pythagorean theorem is completely interrelated with this trigonometry further. Okay, first let us have a quick recap of it. Let us take a right angle triangle where one angle should be 90 degrees and let us name it as A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. The side which is completely opposite to the 90 degrees angle, which is a right angle, is called as hypotenuse, which we can name it as H, and the side which is adjacent to the 90 degrees is called as side, and the other one is called as base. Okay, you all know this Pythagorean formula, right? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That means AC square is nothing but hypotenuse, right? And it is the longest side of the triangle also. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is side square plus base square. Okay, side square. Hypotenuse is equal to H square is equal to side square is nothing but S square plus base square is equal to B square. And this formula, this Pythagorean formula is applicable only when we are having one of the angle is right angled. We need to remember this. Okay, when it is applicable only when one of the angle is right angled. Okay, now let us go into our let us go into our main topic, trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between angles and sides of a triangle. Okay, this is the definition of the trigonometry, and we have in a Pythagoras theorem we have taken a right angle triangle where one angle is 90 degrees. In this trigonometry we will be having one more angle that is called as theta. Okay, the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is nothing but hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to this theta angle is nothing but opposite side. Okay, let us look into the sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, these are the angles, main angles in the trigonometry. Sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side here? Opposite side is AB. So AB by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Now cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side. Adjacent side by, here cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is nothing but where two angles like 90 degrees and theta. Base is there, na? So that is called as adjacent side, which is nothing but BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC. Cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here it will become like opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is nothing but, as I have told you, opposite side of theta. Okay, it is AB by adjacent side is BC. So these are the main sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. These are the three things which you need to understand very carefully. Based on this only complete trigonometry will be based on this, and hope you all understood this. We'll continue the further topic in our next class. Thank you.